Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be getting my all-wheel drive CRX ready for my first drag race, legal drag race anyways, of the year. So I got something to go with the gears that I just bought for the CRX. This is a strain gauge that Fuel Tech makes. This should let me take timing out for when I'm shifting, put less wear on the trans, which is nice. So anyway, here's the little shift knob right here. But the issue was that this is M10 by 1.5, and I bought the thread pattern for M10 by 125 without even looking, and then I went on their website to go buy the correct one, and they were sold out. So what I did instead was cut the threads off my shifter, which is just stainless steel, and then I went ahead and welded some other threads on there, which is also stainless steel. You can see I made it a little thicker on the bottom just in case. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in. It is super easy to wire up. It just CAN bus, which is perfect. This is the FT550 as well, so everything is super simple. Set some stuff up on the computer, and then yeah, it's pretty much good. I am making a firebox for the CRX right now. This is, if I'm not mistaken, 24 inches by 24 inches. It should cover the whole top of the fuel cell. This is a homemade hinge I just made. You can see these inside pieces roll, but the outside, or not even the outside, I guess these two are outside, and then the middle one doesn't roll. So that's gonna be, it'll flip up like this, boom, put gas in it, you can take the fuel cell out. Yeah, anyway, I have the other sheet metal in the car, so that'll finish the rest of the box. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, weld this up, show you guys what it looks like after I'm done welding this up. Then I'm gonna weld the actual box portion on, and then we'll go from there and see what else we gotta do. All right, so I forgot to update you guys when I finished the firebox, but it's done. It's gonna be hard to see. It's all in there, welded in. I got it on the trailer. The race is in, well, we gotta leave sooner than 12 hours, so yeah. All right, so this is where the CRX was, nice and clean, finally. It's the night before, it's almost 11 o'clock. We gotta wake up at 4 a.m., so that's gonna suck. Anyway, I'm kind of nervous, a little bit nervous. I think that's the only thing. But the only issue is the first to second. That's the only thing I'm scared about. So we'll see how it goes tomorrow. I'm gonna update you when we're all tired in the morning. But yeah. All right, it's the day of. We got a 2-hour drive ahead of us. It's like 4:45, something like that. But it's on the trailer. It's ready. You can see the little turbo hanging out. But yeah, wish me luck. All right, guys, we're here. The car is off the trailer. I just aired the front tires down to 22 PSI. The rear tires are at 26. I gotta clean off the motor, make sure there's no trace of oil. We cannot be leaking oil or they'll kick us out. But yeah, I'm pretty excited.
Bro, he turned the boost up.
All right, guys, we did a total of what, 4 passes? The first pass, it went pretty good. I hit second the only time, actually. Second pass, terrible. I went past the lights. The other person staged after I went past the lights and they gave me the red light, so I kind of threw that one away. The third pass was one of my races that I paid for. Lost to that by reaction time. I would have won if my reaction time was better. I bought back in and then lost the second time, went too fast. If you look over here, this is a car I lost to. Turns out she was also going too fast and I shouldn't have passed her in the end. So there's that. But overall, each pass is improving. I missed second the last 2 passes because of the trans. I wish I could have put the built trans in it, but stuff happens. I got a lot of other work that I've been doing. Anyway, I think it did pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do like 2 more practice passes, just see if I can get my reaction time down a little bit. I'm running around a 1:8.4 for 60 foot, which for a Honda, that's not bad. But yeah, we'll update you guys when I get the car back to the shop and I'll show you guys the time slips.